नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई JVN डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम जयोति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going about discuss the stress management and cause of concern. Now, stress is a general term and applied to various psychology. So let's start the topic. Stress is a general and terms applied to various psychology and psychologists and the pressures experienced or and felt by the people and throughout their lives. And stress is defined as a state of the physical and psychological imbalance and resulting from the disparity and between their situational and demand and the individuals and ability and motivations to meet their needs. The stress can be and positive or negative. Stress is a good and when a situation offers an opportunities to and persons to gain, and sometimes it acts as a motivators for peak and performance. The causes of stress. The first one is the career concern. If an employee feels and that he is a very much and behind in the corporate leaders, then the may and experience stress, and if he seems and that there are no opportunities for the self and growth, and he may experiences and stress and hence and unfulfilled and career expectations are the significant and source of the stress. Now second is the role. It is the concern and when the persons and do not know and what he is supposed to do and on the job, his and tasks and the responsibilities are not clear. The employees is not sure and what the expected to in the mind of the worker and results in stress and it creates confusions. The third is the routine of work shifts. Stress may occur in those individuals and who work on different work shifts. The employees may be expected to work on day and shift for some days and then on the night shift. That may create and problems in adjusting to the shift timings, and it can affect it not only personal life but also family life of the employees. Now role conflict. It takes and the place and when and people have different expectations and from the persons and performing a particular role can also and occurs if the jobs and it not as per expectations, or when a job and demands a creations types of behavior that are agents and the persons and moral values. So next is the occupations and demands. Occupations and demands. Some jobs are more depending that some jobs are more depending and others jobs that involve risk. and dangers are more stressful, and research and finding indicate job that cause and stress need and constant and monitoring of requirements and device. The unpleasant and physical conditions and making decision and etc. Next, the lack of the participations in decision making may experienced and employees and feel that the management and should consulate them on the matters and affecting their jobs. In reality, the superiors handling and ask the concerned and employees before the taking a decisions that develops a feeling of being neglected and which may lead to stress. Now, and work overload. The expensive and the workload and leads to the stress as it puts a persons and unders and them pressures on the work and overload may take two different forms. The qualitative work and overload implies on the performing a job that is the complicated or beyond the employee's capacity. The qualitative work. The qualitative work and overload is a result of many activities performed in an prescribed time. Next, work under load. It in this case too little work and or very easy work is expected on the part of employees. Doing less work or jobs of routine and the simple and nature and would lead to monotony and the boredom which can lead to stress. Now, poor working and conditions. The employees may be subject and to poor and working conditions. It would include bad and lighting and ventilations and unhygienic and sanitations and facilities on the excessive and noise and dust. So, and presence of the toxics and gases and funds in inaccurate and safety measures that etc. And all these unpleasant and conditions that created and the psychological and physiological of imbalance in the humans and thereby causing stress. Now, many experienced and the employees feel that the management and should consult and them on matters and affecting their jobs. In a reality, the superiors and handling ask the concerned and employees before the taking decisions that develops a feeling of being neglected which may lead to the stress. Thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in solving problem. Thank you.